Cook. I cook dinner every evening. Bake. She bakes a chocolate cake on Sundays. Fry. He fries eggs for breakfast. Boil. I boil water to make tea. Chop. She chops onions for the salad. Slice. I slice the bread into pieces. Stir. He stirs the soup with a spoon. Mix. We mix the flour and sugar together. Pour. She pours milk into the glass. Wash. I wash the dishes after dinner. Clean. She cleans the kitchen every morning. Cut. I cut the vegetables for the soup. Grill. They grill chicken on the barbecue. Roast. She roasting a turkey for the holiday. Steam. I steam the broccoli for dinner. Peel. He peels the potatoes before cooking.